humid now. So I'm just dripping in sweat from my workout. But hey guys, this is Paul from Let's Meal Prep. Welcome to lunch. I got a great lunch today. It is a shrimp spring roll salad, one of my favorites. You can see down there, it's got the rice vermicelli, but inside I've got shredded carrots, shredded cabbage, some cucumbers, some peanuts, some little mini peppers in there, along with some grilled shrimp. Shrimp's a great way to get protein with no fat, but it can be a little bit high in cholesterol, so just be careful. And then I garnished it with a blend of cilantro and mint. Not only that is that great, but real quick, made a ginger dressing to put on top. So simple to make, especially if you buy those ginger cubes from the frozen food section. Just pop a couple out of there into a little blender with some soy sauce, some sesame seed oil. Makes a nice little dressing. Guys, it's coming out in the app this week. I hope you love it. Let me know and have a great week. Thanks. Bye-bye.